جنون، محنت، یقین، قلیل عرصے میں 3 گولڈ میڈل، گجرانوالہ ضلع میں شاندار نتائج۔ آئی ایل ایم کالج سے فارغ التحصیل طلباء بطور ڈاکٹر، انجینئر، اساتذہ، بزنس مین، مینیجر، وکیل، جج، آرمی آفیسر، گویا عملی زندگی کے ہر محاذ پر مصروف عمل۔
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. This is Sayyid Salman Haider, Principal ILM College. This is one of the greatest pleasures for me to be leading this such a remarkable and historical institution. I joined this group, I think, almost in 2009, since its inception. It is one of the greatest institute I have ever worked in. I have seen everything of this prestigious institute. Its highs, its lows, its ups, its downs. I mean everything. I think any institution in the world can be distinguished on the basis of different things. And the most important thing in this is the results, the quality of results. The only yardstick to measure an institution is to see what are the results produced by that particular institute. I feel proud. ILM College Gujarat has shown remarkable results.
We at ILM College use multimedia to show students the graphical representation, and I just want to say that now I can say biology is no more a difficult subject for the students.
I know the challenges of tomorrow. Therefore, for me being in a place like Science Lab helps me to get my concept clarified.
The students of science have problems in chemistry. I try to make chemistry easy for them by going deep into the topic. I make sure they learn chemistry, the complex concepts of chemistry easily, and make them practice in the class.
This is Judas Bhatt, Discipline Coordinator and Lecturer Computer Science at ILM College. Ever since I have stepped in ILM College, I have always tried to take this college to new peaks.
ILM کالج کے اندر باقاعدہ طور پر حضور صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم کی سیرت کے اسباق پڑھاتے ہیں، ساتھ میں قرآن مجید کی تجوید بچوں کو سکھاتے ہیں۔
مشہور چینی کہاوت ہے، اگر آپ 1 سال کی منصوبہ بندی کرنا چاہتے ہیں فصلیں اگاؤ، اور اگر 100 سال کی منصوبہ بندی کرنا چاہتے ہو تو درخت اگاؤ، اور اگر آئندہ 1000 سال کی منصوبہ بندی کرنا چاہتے ہو تو تعلیم پر روپیہ خرچ کرو۔
I see myself a mechanical engineer.
I want to become a banker in future.
One day I see myself in a medical profession.
I want to become assistant commissioner.
Vice principal of ILM College, and I have been teaching here for the last 7 years. So tests are very important in student learning process. So the most important thing in ILM College is that it conducts a very extensive test series which helps the student to enhance his or her skills.
After taking those tests, we believe in delivering those tests to the parents directly through our online portal. This basically is a triangle. If that triangle does not break, I am sure the results are bound to flow. The tests, weekly tests, fortnightly tests, monthly tests, quarterly tests, then send-ups or pre-boards, all these things, when they combine together, they actually lead our students towards real glory, to achieve substantial results. This is the only way I think we can improve in academics, is to take tests time and again. The revisions, they all make students more outstanding, and it all helps them to perform even better.
ہمارے ہفتہ وار، ماہانہ وار اور پری بورڈ ایگزامز ہے تو مشکل، مگر بورڈ میں ہماری کامیابی کی ضمانت بھی ہے۔
Test session at ILM College helped me a lot in getting brilliant results.
Not all the students are good in academics. There are some students who are good in sports, some in creative writing, some in speeches, some in debate, some in naat, some in kirat. we focus to bring out the best from a student. If somebody is physically very fit, we promote him to become an athlete. If somebody is very good at speaking, he should come on the stage and perform and tell the world about his talent. I mean, this is the responsibility of an educational institute, to point out, to figure out what is good in a student and to bring that goodness to the world. This is one of the greatest things that educational institutions like ILM College is doing right now. Other than that, why I say that the students who join ILM College, their future is more secure, is because of the faculty. All the teachers are vastly experienced and well versed in their respective subject.
मुझे खुशी है कि मैं ILM कॉलेज का स्टूडेंट हूँ. ILM कॉलेज ने मेरे तरीके की सलाहियतों को जला बख्शने के लिए एक ज़बरदस्त तरीके माहौल पेश किया है. ILM कॉलेज का फाइना स्टूडियो रंगों के साथ अपने फ़न को बाहर लाने का एक ज़बरदस्त ज़रिया है.
ILM College Gujarat is the only private sector institution in Gujarat offering fine arts education. It gives me immense pride and great satisfaction that our students have won Punjab Talent Hunt Award 3 times. That means our students are excelling not only in science but also in fine arts education.
Fine Arts Studio is my world. Here I create whatever I can.
As we all know that discipline is something which is considered an obsolete trait in today's day. As a part of ILM and discipline committee, I myself learn and also teach to my students how to be a better person through self-discipline.
We have state-of-the-art infrastructure. We have well-stocked library, and it has more than 40,000 books. State-of-the-art computer lab. It has more than 60 fastest and latest computers, and also the laboratories, science laboratories, chemistry, physics, biolabs, and all these things. I think they provide an extra to the students, and they provide them an extra opportunity to practice whatever they read in the class.
किताबों से मेरी दोस्ती बहुत पुरानी है. ILM कॉलेज में आकर मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी यहाँ की लाइब्रेरी देखकर हुई है. अब मैं जब चाहूँ अपनी मर्जी की कुतुब